Hi, welcome to Solution and YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn about the time value of money. The time value of money is the concept that a sum of money is worth more now than the same sum will be at a future date due to its earnings potential in the interim. This is a core principle of finance. A sum of money in the hand has greater value than the same sum to be paid in the future. The time value of money is also referred to as present discounted value. Investors prefer to receive money today rather than the same amount of money in the future because a sum of money, once invested, grows over time. For example, money deposited into a savings account earns interest. Over time, the interest is added to the principal, earning more interest. That's the power of compounding interest. If it is not invested, the value of the money erodes over time. If you hide $1,000 in ground for 3 years, you will lose the additional money it could have earned over that time if invested in a bank. It will have even less buying power when you retrieve it because inflation has reduced its value. As another example, say you have the option of receiving $10,000 now or $10,000 2 years from now. Despite the equal face value, $10,000 today has more value and utility than it will 2 years from now due to the opportunity costs associated with the delay. In other words, a payment delayed is an opportunity missed. Depending on the exact situation, the formula for the time value of money may change slightly. In general, the most fundamental time value of money formula takes into account the following variables. FV stands for future value of money, the amount that is receivable or payable in future. PV stands for present value of money as amount received or paid now. I is the interest rate or the rate to compound or discount. N is the number of compounding periods per year. T is the number of years. Based on these variables, the formula for TVM is, this formula can be rearranged to calculate both the present value and the future value. First, let's calculate the future value. Assume a sum of $20,000 is invested for 1 year at 12% interest compounded annually. The future value of that money is $22,400. Let's calculate the present day dollar amount compounded annually at 7% interest. That would be worth $25,000 1 year from today. The present value will be $23,364.48. The number of compounding periods has a dramatic effect on the time value of money calculations. Taking the $20,000 example above, if the number of compounding periods is increased to quarterly, monthly, or daily, the ending future value calculations will be as follows. For quarterly compounding, the $20,000 will be compounded after every 3 months. Means the interest will be added to principal after 3 months, and then recalculated on principal and interest, making the total of $22,510.59. For monthly compounding, the $20,000 will be compounded after every month. Means the interest will be added to principal 12 times in a year, and then recalculated on principal and interest, making the total of $22,536.31. For daily compounding, the $20,000 will be compounded every day. Means the interest will be added to principal daily, and then recalculated on principal and interest, making the total of $22,549.49. This shows time value of money depends, not only on the interest rate and time horizon, but also on how many times the compounding calculations are computed each year. Now you have a basic understanding about the time value of money and how it is calculated. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for latest videos. See you in our next video. Take care.